Now, in other news, in view of Omicron variants detection in India, the Indian SARS-CoV Genomic Consortia will be holding a meeting today evening. And according to sources, the meeting will discuss the increasing frequency of genome sequencing in the country. That meeting is expected at around 5 o'clock today. Let's go across to Akshay now for more. And Akshay, this is something that's really come into focus even during the second wave of COVID in the country. There was talk about how we're not doing enough genomic sequencing. Now, in view of this new variant, again, the focus has come on genomic sequencing of COVID tests.
Well, exactly. As far as the new variants are concerned, there is only one way to determine which variant is dominating as far as our country is concerned. So yesterday there were certain details that were given by the Health Ministry as far as the news of Omicron is concerned, and after the news broke out, and from 26th of November, the INSACOG came to action, and the number of genomic sequencing was increased. So from 26th November till yesterday, there were 883 genomic sequencing conducted across the country in a span of approximately 1 week. As far as the month of November is concerned, approximately 6,400 genomic sequencing were conducted on COVID positive patients. And as far as the outbreak is concerned, since the beginning of the outbreak, the INSACOG has conducted approximately 1,25,000 gene sequencing on COVID-19 patients to determine which kind of variant is prevalent in India. As far as the details are concerned, in these 883 genomic sequencing since 26th of November, all of them, in fact 100% of these genomic sequences were, the result was Delta variant, which in fact is dominating as far as our country is concerned. But since the news came out yesterday that 2 patients have been tested positive for Omicron variant, the INSACOG has called for a meeting today, and the meeting will start at approximately 5 p.m. And the topic, according to sources for this meeting, will be the discussion on whether the country should increase the number of genomic sequencing to determine which kind of variant is dominating, especially in the clusters. Also, the INSACOG has advised in their weekly bulletin that booster shots be given to those above the age of 40 years old and above the age of 40. So booster dose can be considered for these people, because according to the INSACOG, the present neutralizing bodies, antibodies in the present vaccine is not enough apparently to prevent Omicron. However, they said that it prevents severe diseases. So they have said that a booster dose can be considered for this vulnerable population of 40 years and above. It remains to be seen that what exactly will be the findings and the discussions today. But the sources are telling us that one of the prime focus will be increasing of the frequency of genomic sequencing of COVID-19 patients.